I can understand that. Write it down.
Yes, sir. Now here are the great laws of the Key Knight's Code to honor God's word and to fear great foe, to serve and protect the King of Andalasia, and respect all people from Europe to Asia. Now, here are the rules that govern these fellows. I'll list them all now. Please try not to bellow. I said no bellowing! Now get back! Rule 1. Fear God and maintain his church. Rule 2. Serve the king in battle. Rule 3. Live by honor and faith. Rule 4. Fight for the welfare of all the people. And rule 5. Always speak the truth. And then finally, the knight's motto. A child of God, a warrior of Christ. Say it with me.